Good music is always present when it comes to happy social events. Music is one of the most unifying forces in our world, and it is an awesome way to bring people together. If you're throwing a party, one of the highest priority needs to be the music that you're gonna be playing. It might not always be the focus, but it is the key factor in making the perfect mood. For those who want their sounds to be perfect, they certainly have a wide choice of party speaker. There's no doubt that a good party speaker needs a super playlist and deserves even better sounds. Even if you want a chilled background music for intimate dinner party, or you are more into the moshing thought at night, your party playlist can create the perfect atmosphere and can provide your guest an unforgettable experience. There are many scenarios in which you will need a speaker. House parties, pool parties, beach parties, and many more will call for a different type of party speaker. So let's take a look at the top 5 loudest party speaker, and you will definitely find the perfect one for yourself as well. So let's begin.
Here Top of Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
If you want to carry on an impressive speaker easily, there is a ZDXB90 speaker system from Sony that you can choose from. The first things about this speaker is that it is portable and you can operate it using a reachable battery that would stay long up to 16 hours. Notable features added: 2 subwoofers, 3 tweeters, stunning visual effects, and easy-to-use control center and carry handle location at the top. Furthermore, you can use the festival apps from Sony so you don't have to walk around to the speaker anytime you want to change the settings. While you're hosting a youthful party, one of the essential things to consider is your sound system bass quality. The Sony ZDXB90 delivers that in a plenty. You can also include the lower and at most the bassy one via the extra bass control located at the top. This speaker is portable, has a mic input port, gives the clear sound so you can listen to the music anywhere you want. Overall, the battery is long lasting and you can be sure that whether the indoors or outdoors party, you will certainly enjoy using the speaker. The LG CANAD is one of the most reviewed speaker systems. This speaker system consists of 12-inch subwoofer, 2 speakers and 2 tweeters. It has a CD system and full DJ deck at the top that comes with the various effects and controls and other features that you will also like about the lightning effect, which you can change depending on the preference. In addition to the CD player, you can play the music from your device from the via Bluetooth connectivity or using the USB playback option. The entertainment until provides you up to the 18,000 watts of power. That means the bass sounds are powerful and authentic. Plus, the sound is clear and you can hear it from the distance. Even if you're a karaoke fan, this speaker can suppress the vocal qualities of any song. Then you can connect your microphone to the speaker and you can sing a song along with the beat. The LG CANAD is a versatile speaker that will light up the mood at any party that you want. All in all, it isn't easy to carry, and for the best price, this is an also valuable investment for any host out there. The Ultimate Ear Hyperboom is a seriously powerful, outdoor-friendly portable speaker that delivers at its price. It weighs in at 30 IPS or so, which makes it more portable than any others on this list. There's more handle on this side for carrying it, and directly below it lies a water resistance cover. It has a USB-C port for charging phones, an AUX out port, the power input, and even the optical port. It is good that the ports are at the backside, so it looks clean in the living room, plus it is IP4 rated as well, which means that speaker can survive in any occasional splash. There are giant volume control surfaces at the top which are touch sensitive. This speaker has a class-leading range as well that comes in at 150 Hz. This speaker is powerful while it comes to have the better sound quality. It has excellent mids and lights, and basses really standout features here. For its size, the Hyperboom definitely packs a punch in the low end. It also does a good job of providing 360-degree audio. Overall, this is an outstanding speaker for indoor parties. The JBL Playbox 300 is definitely the real deal when it comes to have the loud and powerful party speaker. It is a battery-powered speaker with wireless connectivity, eye-catching lighting effect, and even mic and guitar inputs. The speaker comes in at 34.9 pounds. It does have a handle so that you can pick it up and take it with you. It does have a RCA output so you can hook it up to any other speaker. You can charge and power with the speaker with the standard AC port. There's also the option of using the car charge. Battery life is averaged at 18 hours. Additionally, the PartyBox 300 houses daily 6.5-inch woofers, and there is a 2.25-inch tweeter delivering an amazing audio experience at home or at any party. The bass is incredible when it's plugged in, and it has a bass boost button that you can use it to intend on using any battery. The JBL Party Box 300 is a Bluetooth speaker for loud parties. Finally, if you're looking for a mega speaker to power your next party, the PartyBox 300 won't disappoint you. If you wish a compact speaker system that will last long, then the new Soundbook Speaker 3rd generation is best for you. Most speaker tends to become weaker if you carry them from one place to another. But this speaker comes with durable construction that will remain intact no matter how often you transport it. It also waterproof and cat standard. At 126 dB of full volume, the Soundbox is as loud as ever lip contact with amazing clear real sounds. Moreover, you can stream music via Bluetooth AUX or XLR. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0 protocol that connects any portable device out there. Besides that, since the design is sturdy, you can place this unit even on the rough terrains and it will remain intact. Overall, the new Soundbox 3rd generation is a wonderful Bluetooth speaker that's perfect for outdoor with lots of volumes that would give you the life to any party.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.